Hey everyone, Zain here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix your connection is not private in Google Chrome. First, you will have to open your Google Chrome browser. Then once you open it, you should go to these three dots on the top right corner, then go to settings down below right here. Now, after you go to settings, now you should click on privacy and security right here. Then here you will find this page. Now go to security, just click on it. Now, once you open this page, now you have to scroll down till you get to this option right here, use secure DNS in the advanced section. You should enable this option. And by unenabling this option, this message will not appear. And now you can simply go back and get out of the settings. And now when you try to search for anything that has the HTTPS in the beginning, as you can see, let's see this one here, for example. You should first make sure to delete one of these letters right here. Now, HTTPS : // Now, what you should do is to simply, when you go to any website that has this prefix or this beginning, you can simply delete the S, and after that, you will be able to navigate to the website without showing this message. And this is also another method. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you in a new video.